Are you ready to enhance your Spanish vocabulary? Whether you're wrapping up a late-night chat with friends in Barcelona or ending an online Spanish lesson like this one, how you say goodbye can leave a lasting impression. So, are you ready to master the art of the Spanish farewell? All right, let's dive right into it. We've got a plethora of Spanish farewells for you today. Now, we've already covered the basic adiós, which is a formal and universal way to say goodbye. But there's a whole universe of Spanish farewells waiting for you. For instance, hasta luego translates to see you later, typically used when you're sure you'll see the person later in the day or soon. It's less formal and quite common. Nos vemos means see you. It's a bit more casual, great for when you're among friends or peers. Hasta mañana is a great phrase to use when you're planning to see someone the next day. It translates to see you tomorrow. Hasta la próxima is a positive and friendly way to say until next time, especially when you're unsure of when you will meet again. But wait, there's more. Hasta pronto translates to see you soon. Use it when you expect to see the person in the near future. Hasta ahora means see you in a bit, perfect for when you're taking a short break or when you will be returning shortly. Nos hablamos, or we'll talk, is another friendly and casual goodbye you can use, especially when you plan to keep in contact with the person. Cuidate is a take care, is a caring and warm farewell. Use it when you genuinely wish someone well. Then there's ciao. Borrowed from Italian, it's informal and very popular, especially among the younger crowd. If you're leaving someone for the night, you can use Buenas noches. Also used as a greeting, it also means good night. And finally, we have que tengas un buen día. It means have a good day. It's a nice, warm farewell to wish someone a great day ahead. Let's cover these phrases again to help get you ready for the quiz at the end and get more fluent in your Spanish conversations. Take notes. First up, we have hasta luego. This friendly phrase means see you later. It's ideal when you expect to see the person later the same day or at least soon. Next, we have nos vemos. This casual phrase translates to see you, perfect for less formal situations and very close friends. Hasta mañana is a great phrase to use when you're planning to see someone the next day. It translates to see you tomorrow. Hasta la próxima, which translates to until next time. Use this when you're unsure of when you'll meet again but are excited for it. Hasta pronto, or see you soon, is an optimistic farewell, implying you expect to see the person in the near future. Hasta ahora means see you in a bit, perfect for when you're planning a short break. Nos hablamos, or we'll talk, implies future contact and is perfect for casual goodbye. Cuidate is a warm farewell expressing care and well wishes. It translates to take care or be cautious. For a younger, more informal crowd, ciao, pronounced ciao, is a popular choice. It's a casual, carefree way to say goodbye. Buenas noches, although typically used as a greeting, can also be a charming way to say good night. And lastly, we have que tengas un buen día, meaning have a good day. It's a warm farewell, wishing someone a great day ahead. And there you have it, mis amigos, 11 additional ways to say goodbye in Spanish. But remember, the magic is not just in the words, but in the warmth and sincerity with which you say them. All right, folks, you know the drill. Hopefully you've been taking notes. I'll show you a scenario. I want you to write the perfect Spanish farewell for that scenario in the comments. Let's go. So you're leaving a close friend's house, someone you've been friends with since college, after a dinner party. What Spanish farewell would you use? That's number one. I'm sure you aced the answer, so here's another scenario. You're wrapping up a cafe meetup with a group of business partners. How would you say goodbye in Spanish? Excellent job, folks. Share your answers in the comments, and let's learn together. Keep practicing these farewells. Use them in your day-to-day life, and soon they'll roll off your tongue like you've been speaking Spanish your entire life. That's all for today's lesson, amigos. In our next episode, we'll explore how to navigate a Spanish market and so much more. So don't forget to swing by the like button, bid farewell to the share button, and cozy up Buenas noches close with the subscribe button. Nos vemos, amigos!